Heidi ho, my little YouTuber friends out there. How are you doing? Hope you're having a good day, good night, good morning, or whatever it is where you are. Today, I'm going to do a good old 50p. I love 50p's. 50 pence. There's Lizzie. So first of all, we've got a punch hole in it. I'd like to thank my latest subscribers for hitting that button. Thank you so much. That's plus 3 here today. Plus 3 degrees C. Amazing. Never known a month like it in Finland. Right, let's go to Big Bertha and see what she's got for us today. This is a 20-ton arbor press. So did any of you watch my short yesterday? That's my first one I've made. It wasn't brilliant. For the first one, it weren't bad. Big Bertha's leaking again. Typical. Right, what we got? What we got? I need to smack at the bottom. I moved my press round today. And the camera's a bit in the wrong place, but yeah, I had a guy from Ireland ask if I make Irish coin rings. Yes, I do. I think I don't have any Irish coins at the moment. I've got a couple of rings I made. But if you want to send me an Irish coin, or you can do so, and I'll make you a ring out of it. This is deburring tool called Christy Burr, and he just cleans up the edge where I punch through. You don't want any chasms or canyons or cracks forming, or you're going to split your ring. Well, you don't want to split ring on a Friday, do you? It'll upset the whole weekend. How's that looking? Maybe a touch more. Yeah, it's so mild here in Helsinki. Wow. I prefer the snow though. It makes everything look so much cleaner. It's a dismal old day. It brightens the view up. Everything's white, you know. Don't go all slushy like it does in England. There you go. That's pretty damn sexy. Right, now we want to show a bit of love with Bernie, the fire starter. If you just popped in, really like what you see, there's a little red button, bottom right hand corner. If you hit that, you'll be subscribed. Hit the bell icon. And you'll be notified every time I upload a video. Right. That was called annealing, and that was called quenching. Just softens up the metal a bit so I can work it a bit easier. Right, this is a 17-degree folding die, and I think we've got to go with this sunny side up, haven't we? So that's going to go face down. Oh, it'll probably fit in there, I think, yeah. Just want it level-ish. Let's go over to Big Red. And give it a bit of the old 1-2. 1, So, right. Now we just want to clean up this edge, make sure it's nice and clean. Look at this. A new Sandy. I cleaned up my room again yesterday. I'm getting there. I can see the floor. It's amazing. It's magic. I am a very tidy person, really. Not. There you go. Right. So, now, you want to go over to spike. And this is a ring stretcher called Spike. And yeah, you guessed it, this stretches your ring. I love 50 pence rings. They look so much different. They've got character, you know what I mean? Oh, we don't want this to split. Let's give it a bit more love. And Bernie. Okay. Yeah, I'm not too sure about his shorts. I mean, they say, you know, YouTube wanted to make shorts, but I don't know. I mean, I just made the videos normal, you know, a 20-minute video. And then my girlfriend cut it up into bits, managed to get it to 2 minutes, 59 seconds. I mean, for the first attempt, it looks quite good, you know. What do you think? Do you like shorts? I'm not too sure if I do. I think it's more of a TikTok thing, you know. But YouTube seem to want people to make shorts, so I won't make many. I'll make a few to keep them happy. But I don't think I'm a big shorts fan. Any ideas? Any of you guys at YouTube? Do you think shorts are worth doing? I mean, I didn't get many views on it yet, so. I mean, you obviously still got notified because Bear watched it. Well, a few of you guys watched it. I checked out, but. How's that looking? Yeah, not too bad. I can adjust the size of these rings as well. If you wanted this particular ring, it'll be in my shop later on tonight. And I can adjust the size up or down. Just out of interest, what size we got now? This won't stay this size. What we got there? UK. US. US. 66. Let's give it another couple of squeezes. That'll do. Right. So now oh, there's not much of a lip. It looks like there is, but I can't really grab much with my finger. I'll give it a little bit. Yeah, that's pointless doing that really. There's hardly anything in there. Well, there you go. So now I want to give it a bit more love with Bernie. And then we'll stick it on the bottom end of Spike in the reduction dice. If you're looking for a custom ring, I'll happily make you one. I've got loads of coins, UK, American, different coins of the world. You can even send me your own coins, which quite a few people do, to be honest with you. Right, let's go over to the bottom end of spike. These are reduction dies. And we want to straighten them walls up so they're a bit cone shaped. There's a bit there we can start with. Make sure it's square in a round hole. Oh, lay out. See, it's a little bit. Needs more. It always needs a bit more. I can put it in this one. This is the same 17-degree die that I folded it with. I like using these as well. See them walls? Perfectly straight. And if you had a few bevies, they look even straighter. Right, let's get Kate on the job. Kate Bush, Dave the Dremel. This is very similar to Quad Zero steel wool. I'd rather do this by hand, but since my motorcycle accidents, notice the word accidents, I've had a few in my days. My left wrist just won't have it. After, you know, a few minutes of gripping something really hard, it says no more. Right, should I polish this? I mean, I call this the Edwin look. I like it because you can see the detail a lot better than if it's polished. What do you reckon? Should I polish it? Like this one I didn't polish. This is a Australian 50 cents. Sod it. I'll polish it for you. Be a good idea to put Felton John in first, wouldn't it? Yeah, I do. I don't just do coin rings now. I do earrings, bracelets, cufflinks, keychains, key fobs. And check out my shop, yourfingermyring.com. I do custom work, you know. Bear was saying I should try and make a bell. I think I'll give it a go. I think they're made out of $half. I've got a couple of $half. Ooh. More T Vicar. Right, it got a little bit hot. Right, what we got? What have we got? My girlfriend finished these off because my hands are still covered in polish and oil. A slightly cleaner cloth. I mean, if you wanted this the Edwin look, I just put Kate Bush over it again, which takes the shine off. But, you know, horses for courses, whatever floats your boat. There you go. You got all the relief on the inside there. That's why I use the kitchen roll. On the inside it says, thanks for watching. Please hit the like button 2005 times. And on this side it says, here we go. How about hitting the subscribe button? It'll help me out no end. So thank you. So wait a minute, what have we got size-wise? EU, and you always measure from the reeded side of the coin. This is milled, but same thing. So thickest part of the coin. Sorry about my throat. I've just still got a head cold. It's about 64.5, 65 thereabouts. But I can make it bigger. I can make it smaller. So there you go, folks. Thanks for watching. Catch you tomorrow. Have a great day. Have a great night. Have a great morning. And I'll catch you tomorrow. Tell me bye-bye.